It's earnings season in the Gulf region, and for yet another financial quarter, it's been a mixed picture for banks. The sector's faced a slowdown since mid-2014 as oil prices tumbled and hit a 12-year low early last year. Lower crude prices have hit government revenues, which in turn has impacted deposits.
I think the whole economy, the government, the industry, the banking system have accepted the oil price will be around 50. So all the budget is built around that.
Despite the slowdown, the region's largest lenders are still making money. Qatar National Bank is the biggest in the Middle East and Africa by assets. It made a net profit of $1.8 billion for Q2, and officials here in the UAE say the picture is getting better.
Well, if you look at the results which came out for the first 6 months for the banks who announced the result, collectively, there is a growth of 5% in profit. If you compare it with the rest of the world, this is a fantastic result.
But concerns about liquidity have forced some companies to merge. Two of the UAE's largest lenders, FGB and NBAD, joined forces in April to create First Abu Dhabi Bank. Similar deals are also being planned in Qatar and Saudi Arabia.
In this more difficult environment, some of the foreign players have left, partly for regulatory reasons, but also because it is actually harder to make money in this environment. We've also seen a mega merger in Abu Dhabi. I think going forward, there should be more consolidation.
There's also an argument that there are simply too many players, fueled by decades of oil-led growth. The 6 Gulf Arab states have long been attractive markets for managing money. The UAE, for example, has almost 50 active lenders for a population of only around 9 million people.
The IMF thinks real GDP growth here in the GCC will be less than 1% this year, half as much as it was in 2016. With economies set to slow further in the short term and oil prices hovering around the $50 a barrel mark, banks here are having to watch their bottom lines. Given the possibility of more consolidation in the sector, for some of them, it could be a matter of survival. Nawied Jabarkhyl, TRT World, Dubai.